results and commercial-grade durability, the Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine is the deep cleaner for you, giving you the best possible clean without the hassle of renting. Deep cleaning is a process that sprays water and formula deep into your carpet. The water and formula, along with the brushes, aid in loosening dirt and ground-in grit. It is then suctioned up, removing the embedded dirt that is most harmful to your carpet. Regular deep cleaning with the Big Green keeps your carpets looking newer longer. The rotating dirt lifter power brushes provide more cleaning power, penetrating your carpet fibers to remove deep down dirt as they groom your carpet for professional results. It's easily maneuverable, cleaning both forward and backward, so you can clean in half the time, while the unique dry air feature applies heat to the carpet while you clean. The Bissell exclusive flow indicator monitors water and solution levels, so you know when it's time to check the tanks. Large capacity tanks mean fewer trips to the sink. Plus, both tanks remove for easy filling and emptying. With the convenient long-reach hose and 6-inch tough stain tool, you can easily remove tough spots and stains in tight corners and hard-to-reach places. Plus, the handle folds for easy storing. Big Green, professional-level performance for a better clean. From Bissell, the #1 selling brand in deep cleaning. Bissell got cleaner by becoming a little greener, beginning with the Little Green Compact Deep Cleaner. Built like no other compact deep cleaner, the Little Green uses powerful suction to lift up tough spots and spills. The long power cord and flex hose, as well as its compact design, make it easy to clean hard-to-reach places, such as stairs, upholstery, or car interiors. The Little Green is engineered with sustainable design features that reduce waste and help protect the environment. With PVC-free tanks and hose, the Little Green provides a more environmentally friendly deep cleaning solution. Plus, the Little Green comes in a carton that contains a minimum of 75% recycled material. And it's recyclable too. And with its innovative technology, the Little Green continues to deliver high-quality deep cleaning performance that consumers expect from Bissell. Plus, Bissell 2X compact formulas are earth-friendly, containing no heavy metals or optical brighteners, and they are phosphate and dye-free. The Little Green Compact Deep Cleaner, because clean shouldn't stop with your living space.
Your portable spot cleaner is ready to go right out of the box with no assembly required. When you're ready to start cleaning, so is Rug Doctor. First, fill the clean water tank with hot water from the tap, making sure to fill it to the line. Then, add Rug Doctor cleaning solutions to the tank, filling it to the soap line. Screw the cap back on. Firmly reinsert the tank into your portable spot cleaner. Plug in the machine, and you're ready to clean. Let's get cleaning.
Is a great reason to take care of those rug and upholstery stains on your to-do list. Skip the rags, blotting, and scrubbing. The Bissell Spot Clean Pro packs the power of a professional-style, full-size carpet and upholstery cleaning machine into an efficient portable unit. Manual scrubbing can push a stain deeper and actually spread the stain. But Spot Clean Pro uses water, formula, and suction to loosen and remove stubborn stains. A flexible hose with snap-on tools makes it easy to deep clean small areas that are hard to reach with an upright machine. Spot clean area rugs and cushions with a 3-inch tough stain tool. And zip through stair stains with a 6-inch cleaning tool. The large capacity tanks can be removed together for fewer trips to the sink. They're designed with flat bottoms so they can be easily filled and emptied. Freshen up seat cushions, car interiors, area rugs, and more with Bissell's 2X Professional Deep Cleaning Formula with built-in Scotchgard protector. It works with the penetrating spray and superior suction power of the Spot Clean Pro to extract old stains and new spills from heavily used fabrics and rugs. The Spot Clean Pro is the most powerful, portable spot cleaner offered by Bissell. And it comes with Bissell's best-in-class 2-year warranty. The Bissell Spot Clean Pro, professional style power in the palm of your hand.
reservoir of stains, harmful allergens, and odor-causing bacteria. And vacuums only do half the job of cleaning your carpets. Introducing the Hoover Max Extract Carpet Washer. It makes deep cleaning carpets as easy as vacuuming them. Simply pull the trigger, push forward, and a high-pressure spray of water and Hoover's biodegradable, non-toxic Clean Plus detergent penetrates deep into the carpet to break up dirt and stains as the counter-rotating spin scrub brushes gently and thoroughly wash virtually every fiber. Pull back, and the powerful Max Extract Dual V nozzle technology suctions up the dirty water, while turbo-heated air is blown deep into the fibers, so your carpets dry quickly. The two-tank smart system makes filling and cleaning a snap. Simply remove this tank to fill, and remove this tank to drain and rinse. Nothing to disassemble, and no mess, like this other machine with a nasty internal plastic bladder to clean. Its 147-ounce capacity is larger than other leading competitive carpet washers. Its wider cleaning path means faster cleaning. The Max Extract comes with onboard tools, including a 9-foot hose with integrated brush for cleaning furniture, stairs, even your car interior.
Cleaning the carpets now is as easy as vacuuming the carpets.
Hoover, you have outdone yourself. Love it. Made my life really easy.
The Hoover Max Extract Carpet Washer is the easiest, most convenient way ever to deep clean your carpets. Take yours home today.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.